Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 9th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, I had my Fibonacci retracement from here to here this morning. I said that if we break down at a Fib level, it would make a pretty nice short, and that's exactly what happened. Now, I was originally thinking this high over here was the top on the daily, but if that really is the top, this move down is not very impulsive whatsoever. It definitely looks very corrective, which is why I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive up. Because if we do get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level, something like that, then we definitely do want to go back to the long side. Tomorrow is FOMC interest rate news for the US. Definitely a very large news event. Honestly, I think that most likely thing to happen is that we're either going to go up prior to the news or maybe at the news, maybe do like a spike reversal and then go down and give ourselves a break of structure. We do have to remember that the trend is technically down on the daily, but so because of that, if it does break this low way here, instead of going up, if instead it goes down and breaks this low way here, that probably means that this high over here really is a top, and we really do want to look for sorts every single chance we get. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.